So today we're going to make something very beautiful, all right? Excited, everyone? Yes, wonderful. Okay, so we're going to make gift box. All right, so if you have toffees, wonderful. If you do not have toffees, you can, put your very precious gifts inside. Okay, so it's going to be a very easy class and going to be a very, so all you need is one A4 sheet. That's it. Okay, I mean your pencil, your scale, your sketch pens, glue, scissors. Okay, yeah, you can use any paper. That won't be an issue. Any color paper, okay? Any color paper. Even if you have, the glittery paper, it's fine. Any paper is fine, okay? Any printed paper, anything is fine. All right? Okay. So now, you all are wonderful artists. I know everybody knows how to make a square from a A4 sheet. Yes? Okay, those who know, go ahead. Those who do not know, I'll help you, okay? So those who do not know, this is instructions for you, okay? So from your top right corner, bring your paper down, okay? Like this. So when you bring it down, keep it on the tip and make sure that this tip, the right bottom corner, is properly at the peak, okay? That there is exactly a beak-like structure, okay? And once you get it, just fold it along like this. Okay? And now since you made the triangle, okay, I'll wait for you to make the triangle. Just we'll wait for 1 minute and then I'll show you the next step, okay? Those who do not know. Again, I'm going to tell you. And once you've done it, take your scissors and cut the extra paper out, okay? Like this. All right, now let's go to the next step. Everyone done? So now you have a triangle here, right? There's a line here, correct? Similarly, make the line the other side also, okay? There should be 2 lines in the middle, like that. Okay, I'm going to fold it like this, okay? Okay. All right. So one line this side and the other line from the other side. Okay. All right. Easy till here. One line here and one line here. Okay. From your right bottom side to your left top side. Okay. And now from your left bottom side to your top right side. All right. Now let's go to our next step. And actually, this is a final step. Almost the second final step. Okay. So you guys have done wonderful today. All right. So now I want you all to copy the shape that I'm going to draw. Okay. So I'm going to zoom in a bit so that you can see clearly. Can you all see? Okay. Can you all see? Now I want you all to make a heart. Okay. Not full heart, a half heart. Okay. Like this. Just a half heart. Okay. Inside and outside like this. Okay. I'm gonna make it a bit more curvy. I'm not so good at drawing. You guys are wonderful, I know. So just a half heart, okay? Like this. This side is open, so I'm gonna make my heart this side, okay? Those who have done it the same way, wonderful. Please check. That means it is, for me, it is on my left side, the open side. The closed side is on my left side. The open side is on my right side. So I have drawn my heart on the right side. Okay. Okay, we're going to make the next thing. Now, from the middle, take your scales and mark 5 centimeter. Okay, or maybe 4 centimeter is enough, not 5, 4 centimeter. The middle. Okay, from the center, take your scale, mark 4 or 4.5 centimeter. Any 4 to 5 centimeter in the middle of that. Okay, anywhere is fine. Those who do not know where 4 centimeter is, this is your scale. Okay, so that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So between 4 and 5, take any centimeter and mark it from the center. Okay, wonderful. You guys are so smart. Now, this is my point. Okay, now I want you all to look carefully, and I'm going to do it with a black sketch pen so that you can see it more clearly. Okay, so this was my heart. Okay, this was my heart. All right, and this is my point. Everyone can see that? Now, not exactly from the tip, okay, not here. Leave a bit space from here, okay, from this side. Can you see it where I'm doing it? I'm going to zoom in a bit more. Not on the tip, not on the tip, a bit more far. You have to make a slanting line here like this. Okay, you don't have to sketch because we are going to cut either way. Okay, so you can just draw it with a pencil. Okay. All right. So I'm going to just quickly show you how. So this is a square, fold it. So sorry for that. Okay. So this is the square, right? From the top right side to the left bottom side, fold it once. Then from the right bottom side to the top left side, fold it again. Okay, like this. You got a triangle? Now, this is the open side and this is the closed side. Okay, this is the closed side. Now, everyone, take your pencils or your sketch pen. Okay, take your pencils or your sketch pen and mark from this 4.5 tip in the middle here, right? This point, from this point to here, to the edge like this. Or maybe a bit more curve like this. Okay. So there's a heart shape here and there's a normal line towards this side. How much centimeter gap to be there is like you can just leave a bit gap, or if you want to cover the whole area also you can cover. Okay, so I left a bit gap depending on the gap that I was left here. Okay, almost similar gap I have left. Okay, so you can take your own measurements in this. Now, second last step. After that, the last step. Okay, then after that you can put your toffees inside. All right, and all your small gifts also. Okay, now this much you've done. Wonderful. Okay, now we have to make a small, like this here, a small, you know what to say, a small hill or a small mountain or a small curve. Okay, like this at the end, like this. Wonderful, those who have done. All right, so now before we cut, look carefully here. I want everyone to look. If you cut the wrong thing, then today's gift won't work. Your gift box won't work. Okay, so you have to look very carefully. Everybody take your sketch pens, or just look. Don't take your sketch pens, just look. That's it. Okay, so With your scissors, you have to cut across. And even this part, this black color that I'm coloring right now, this part you have to cut out, okay? The small parts you have to cut out. That means this shape and inside the heart and this curve you have to cut out. So take your scissors, everyone. Okay, and start cutting. So those who have done cutting, wonderful. Those who are still doing, I'm gonna be with you. I'm gonna do it with you, along with you. Okay. So that's my scissors, and I'm gonna start cutting. Okay. So the main shape is cut. Now I'm gonna cut the black shapes. Okay, that I made my second heart like this, and there I cut it, and the second curve. So this is the shape that you get, okay? Has everybody got it? Now let's open this up. So you should get a shape like this. That means one heart, one more heart, and two cut in the middle, okay? Please make sure you have all these shapes. Okay, now this is a special instruction, okay? For those people whose A4 sheet, okay, look, everyone listen. For those people whose A4 sheet is light, that means thin A4 sheet. Some people are using thick A4 sheets and thin A4 sheets are different, okay? So those who are using thin A4 sheet, you can just make a small box or, you know, a thicker cardboard box, make a square and put it in the middle like this and stick it, okay? So that the base is strong, okay? Other than that, rest everyone. Let's go to the last step. Everyone look here, okay? You can make the base later. Let's go back to the last step, okay? Wonderful. Okay, let's go to the last step. How we have to do it. Fold this like this inside. Okay, so I'm going to use the other side because my sketch pen linings are here. So fold these two sides like this towards the inside and put your heart through this. Okay, so I'm going to put my first heart through this, and I'm going to bring this heart also, and I'm going to put my heart through this. Okay, yes, successful. And now I'm going to put it through the second slit, okay, like this. And now once I've done it, I'm going to open my heart, okay, like that. This side also. So your heart gift box is ready, okay? So if you want, you can put your toffees inside. So before you put your heart, so I'm going to put my toffees inside now. Okay, I'm going to remove it first. And my small gift, okay? So since we are big people, we keep money, okay? So I'm going to keep my money and my chocolate inside. My chocolate, and I'm going to fold it, okay? Like this, and I'm going to do the same step. Now, once you've done it, I want you to press it a bit more from inside, from all the sides, so it stays simple like this, okay? I want you to glue it so that, you know, once you're done, you can put a bit glue inside from here on this side so that it doesn't come out, okay? At the edges of the glue. I'm gonna color my heart so that it pops out, okay?